So how excited am I today because I received my Jesse James Bead Secret Stash box. And thank you, Emily. I received this yesterday and here it is. And I did not want to open it and look at anything until today. I already this morning cut the size, but I did not open it because I want to be surprised about what's in this box that has my name on it with a heart that shows me that Jesse James Beads loves me just as much as I love them. And I know they love me because they send me the most beautiful things and they provide the most beautiful things on their website for me to purchase when it comes to my beads. Oh my gosh, they are my absolute favorite. But I think you guys know that because every Jesse James Beads video that I do, I always harp on the fact of I just love their beads. I can't help myself. So this secret stash box is actually available on their website for purchase. So if you want a secret stash and you want to be surprised and filled with the mystery of what's in the box, you can purchase one to jessejamesbeads.com. I'll have the link in my description box. So I've already cut the size. I bought these little babies out so I can cut into any goodies that are in here. So here we go. Oh, I got a note on the inside. Made by Emily. Thank you for being an ambassador. Have fun. All heart. JJB. I love that. That is so sweet. They are so personable. I just love them. Oh my gosh. So first we have this artistic wire in silver, gold, and black. Look at that. Can you guys see? Let the camera do its thing. That is some beautiful wire. And we have this bead strand, this beautiful bead strand, and it is called Jungle Explorer. It is named correctly for the way that it looks. Look at that. That is a ceramic bead right there. I think these are like epoxy sculpt. And they have chain wrapped around them with some decorations on it. That glass bead and this cheetah print wooden bead. We have spacers. Just wonderful. And I think this is a huge bicone on the end of this. I think it's a huge bicone and a cone bead cap on the end. And you got the same thing running off the other end. This is a beautiful bead mix. Beautiful bead strand. Oh, I just love that. And next we have a pendant. Now, I don't know what this is though. And it's not listed on my paperwork, so gonna take some guesswork from me, but I do love it though. Let me see. I don't know what this is, but I love the organic look of it. It'll make a nice pendant too. It's not even really heavy. It's just beautiful. I love this. We have this brown tassel. It's really pretty. I love the little bead cap that they put on the top of the tassels. I don't know how to make tassels yet, but this seems like something that's fun to make. Jesse James Beads just add the most fun and beautiful things to the boxes. And the mystery boxes, the ones that you don't know what's in them, are like the ones that are the most fun of all, because you just never know what you're gonna get. Like Forrest Gump, life is like a box of chocolates. That's how the mystery boxes are to me. You never know what you're gonna get, but when you get it, it just fills your heart with so much joy and happiness. So we're gonna cut this open and see what we have inside here. Some beautiful faceted black glass beads is what they look like. And you guys know I'm not good with names of, you know, stones and stuff like that. I need to learn, I really do, but not good with that. But these are beautiful. Look at that sparkle on those beads. Oh my goodness, look at that sparkle. That is absolutely beautiful. Handful of beads. So those are black faceted beads to use in a project. And we also have another pendant. Let's see what this says. It has something on it, some writing. Free love. And that looks like it's on an actual $50. Or someone made it really look like a $50. This is really interesting. Look at that. Free love. I like that. Oh, look at that. And it is really on a old $50. It says in God we trust. Now, I can't really tell if that's a real $50 or not. I want to say that it is, but I know it's possible for someone to imprint that also. But this feels like a real $50. It really does. This is really interesting. I don't have anything like this. I like that. And oh my gosh, I didn't know Bead had chain, or did I know that? I've never gotten chain like this from Bead, which is wonderful because I know that their items like Jesse James beads are not, they don't tarnish and they're good quality, and that's a good amount of chain on there too. Oh, and it's really pretty. That's some really pretty chain. Now I have a new camera and a new lighting system going on, so I hope it's not too bad. But we're practicing. We're going to get it straight. The next is out of the box is this bead strand of some check fire polished designer beads. These are really pretty, and they're from Dress It Up Bead. Oh, it's wonderful. Those are so pretty. There's grays in there. There's a silver and clear. I like these. Look at that combination right there. That is going to give anybody, even somebody like me who doesn't really design jewelry, so much inspiration to create something beautiful. And that's what I'm going to try to do in another video. This is just an unboxing. Oh wow, I got the color trans root beer. I have this already, and when I tell you guys, this mix right here is amazing. Believe me when I tell you it's amazing. I love this mix. I'm gonna open it and show you guys how amazing everything in this little mix is. Look at that. Look at that mix. Oh my gosh. Absolutely beautiful. Look at those red faceted square beads. These are like coated. They feel like they're coated with the rubber or something like that. It may not be rubber, but they feel coated. I have, oh my God, look at this. This is what I loved about this mix when I bought it myself and got it in my hand. These spacer beads, I don't know if they're spacer beads or you want to count them as beads, or they can be either or. They are just the most beautiful little beads I've seen. And they're big hole beads. So many things you can do with that. These are amazing. Oh my God. Let me see if I can get it closer for y'all. Look at that bead mix. Look how beautiful that is. Those colors are just so sweet together. You can do a lot with just this right here. This will make a beautiful bracelet. I mean, earrings, several pair of earrings. Just beautiful. Last but not least, I have some check fire polish 8mm cornelian. These are very pretty. They go so well. Everything that I have in a box. That was actually the purpose of the secret stash boxes also. They curated them to, you know, so that the pieces match so well that it would immediately spark your inspiration for creation of whatever jewelry piece that you had in mind. And these are absolutely beautiful. Those are beautiful. I love the color of them. And once I put everything down on the mat, we can see how beautifully complementing this whole stash is. Absolutely beautiful. And because I'm having a little bit of issue with this new camera and seeing the color, I'm going to bring out my phone and pan across this one time to give you a even better view.